Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage とリンゴのサラダ. This cabbage and apple salad was one of my favorite school lunch menu when I was a child. The color, green and red, is the perfect match for the festive season, so I thought I'd do it now. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this cabbage とリンゴのサラダ, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Cabbage, 1 apple, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. Let's start with the cabbage. Remove the core. And let's make thin strips. And into a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. And leave it for 10 minutes or so to bring out the moisture. An apple. I'm going to use this with the skin, so I washed it really well. Prepare some salted water. For this amount of water, I put half a teaspoon of salt. Let's cut this into 8. And remove the core. Then into slices. And put them in the salted water to stop browning. And drain. If you leave the apple in the salted water too long, it will lose the texture and the flavor. So once you release in the salted water, drain it straight away. Now, let's make the dressing. Mayonnaise. Vinegar. Garlic paste. Some salt and pepper to taste. All into the bowl and just mix it. And the dressing is ready. Very easy. By now, cabbage should be wet and wilted with the salt you put at the beginning. So take some and squeeze it really, really well. Like this, and into the bowl of the dressing. A lot of water came out from the cabbage. Let's add apple and mix. Serve in the bowl. And キャベツとリンゴのサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so fresh and fruity. The dressing with a hint of garlic goes amazingly well with apple. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. キャベツとリンゴのサラダ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either off-the-shelf or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the main, but how about kushikatsu? Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.